I'm here with Arjun Kapoor shooting for the Verve magazine. Arjun, first of all, we are talking after a long time.
वो कैमरा का पोस्चर पोजीशन दादा दिखाई ना प्लीज। ऐसे क्या था?
ऑडियंस को कैसे तो पता चलेगा कैसा था?
अरे आप करो ना। तो जाओ ना दादा, जैसे जा रहे थे क्यों अभी क्यों डर गए? कुछ उल्टा सीधा कर रहे थे।
हाँ, इंटरव्यू बहुत कुछ नए स्टाइल में अर्जुन करना चाहते हैं।
हाँ।
हाउ वाज द फोटो शूट एंड 3 चेंजेस हो गए हैं। कितना मजा आ रहा है। ये थोड़ा पिछले वाला चेंज में थोड़ी वो क्रिएटिव डिफरेंसेस कुछ हुए क्या हुआ?
क्रिएटिव डिफरेंसेस सनसनी क्रिएट्स। देखिए दादा ज़ूम पे एक्सक्लूसिव। Creative difference नहीं यार. What happens when you do a shoot? Sometimes you have a reference and you imagine work करेगा, but then you come and shoot or take a shot and you feel something is amiss.
Yeah.
So you all come together, have a conversation, try and find an, because you don't want to waste time taking an image that you can't use in a photo shoot. Time is of the essence always because हर change में lighting फिर से करनी पड़ती है, कपड़े बदलने पड़ते हैं. So you might as well aim to get the perfect shot. The aspiration always in a photo shoot is कि image एक या दो use होती है, but you have to take about 50, 70, 100. So there's no point taking 100 images and saying नहीं यार ये वाला zone work नहीं कर रहा. So that's what it came down to, that you want to do this or you want to try. So now we are doing both.
मगर वैसे मैं खुद पर्सनली बहुत फोटो शूट्स मैंने गई हूँ बहुत फोटो शूट्स पे स्टार्स के, बट देन आप तो मतलब ऐसे हर एक फोटो शूट 10-10 मिनट में खत्म कर रहे हैं. You are unlike the other actors जो घंटों तक वेट कराते हैं.
Thank you. I will take that as a compliment.
Absolutely.
But नहीं वो कोशिश में रहती है. You don't want to keep people waiting. You don't want to wait. There's a certain energy that you gather for the 2 or 3 hours. You do about 5, 6, 7 changes and you get all the shots that you need instead of procrastinating कि ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये भी try करते हैं, वो भी करते हैं. Sometimes you just need to trust the other. See, in a photo shoot you got to trust your photographer.
Yes.
The stylist. Not worry so much about the location because it'll all fall into place. They've chosen it for a reason. So you got to have a lot of conviction in the people you're working with.
And coming back to your films, after the
coming
success,
back नहीं हम गए नहीं films.
अच्छा, so starting on with your films, after the success of Gunde, everything is like sunk in because it's crossed 100 crores. The whole success and the partying and happiness.
Partying हुई नहीं उसकी, वो pending है. Ali Abbas Zafar इस वक्त शहर में नहीं हमारे डायरेक्टर, and Priyanka are also busy and I've also been busy, so the party is due. But I think it sinks in after few months. I think when my next film is releasing and now I meet all of you all.
Yes.
तब sink in होगा क्या it definitely affected me in a nice way when I went to Mathura and Agra. I was shooting there for Tevar.
Yeah.
And people don't call me Arjun, they call me Bala. So that
that's
really,
a very good sign.
but that's a really nice feeling because हमने पिक्चर उसी लिए बनाई थी, एक आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट करने के लिए with the beyond the multiplex niche audience. And I think Gunde cut through that audience. So when you meet young kids who are saying, hey, Bala, 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 then you're saying, oh, it's worth it. All those 90, 100 days of hard work, regardless of the number.
Yeah.
वो हमारे हाथ में कभी था नहीं. You cannot predict eventually, but what you would like to achieve is this. Have the audience members recognize you as those characters. And the first day I saw it in Chandan with Ranveer.
Yes.
हम छुप के गए थे जब.
Zoom ने फिर भी
पकड़ लिया था. पता नहीं कैसे. पता नहीं कैसे. I think you guys were following Ranveer that day. मैं तो घर से आया था छुप के. पर खैर Zoom ने फिर भी पकड़ लिया था. हम गए थे बस देखने कि यार ऑडियंस हम पे रिएक्ट करती है और ऑडियंस वाज रिएक्टिंग टू अस एंड दैट फॉर मी दैट डे इट sunk in that yes they react to us as actors. The success of the film sunk in Agra. And I'm sure now as I promote 2 states और भी ज़्यादा sink in होगी.
Yeah,
I hope.
बिल्कुल. Because the promos and the trailers are fab and everybody is liking your character especially. आपको ऐसे अवतार में जो college boy look है with specs and all किसी ने देखा नहीं है तो what kind of response are you getting for that?
आज ही कोई बोला था यार तू तो बड़ा young लगता है तो ऐसा हाँ मैं young हूँ.
पहले बुड्ढे लगते क्या था?
It's that boyish young I guess, not man. It's not like I'm a manly looking young boy, as in the stubble, the ruggedness, which is what I've realized in the last few years. There's a boyish charm in 2 states that comes from the character inherently because वो है वैसा, थोड़ा सा buffoon सा है, थोड़ा geeky है, confused सा है, लड़की से प्यार हो गया समझ में नहीं आ रहा उसे कैसे प्यार हो गया और बोलूँ तो क्या बोलूँ, तो that I think that goofiness is coming across nicely and people are relating it to Krish Malhotra from the book. I hope. That's the one thing I'm relying on, that regardless of anything we should be honest to the book.
बिल्कुल. और आपने हाईवे देख ली कि आलिया तो
नहीं हमारा झगड़ा अभी भी पेंडिंग है मेरा और आलिया का. मैंने हाईवे नहीं देखी और उसने गुंडे नहीं देखी तो हमारा झगड़ा अभी बाकी है. हाँ इसीलिए मैं जब तक वो गुंडे नहीं देखेगी मैं हाईवे नहीं देखूंगी.
अच्छा सिंपल है.